Hi viewers, today I'm gonna show you how SUMIFS and Countifs function works and what all things we can do with these functions to interpret our data more efficiently. Let's start from SUMIFS function. Do you know the difference between the two? Yes, SUMIFS evaluates only one condition and adds up the values, whereas SUMIFS can evaluate up to 29 conditions and then it can add up the values. So let's start to know more about them. Let's take this data of certain products month-wise, salesperson and the revenue. If we have to apply SUMIFS function for the month of Feb. So here we can apply simple SUMIFS function. We don't need to go in a plural form because we need to evaluate only one condition. Here it is given SUMIFS range. Range is of course our criteria range. So this is our criteria range. Criteria would be Feb. And our range, sum range is, of course, the sales revenue. So it comes out to be 2170. Let's check it. Let's quickly sum it. Yeah, it's 2170. Okay. So, next we need to find total sales for the month of Feb for the product mobile and for the salesperson Raghu. Let's do it. Equals to SUMIFS. Here we can apply SUMIFS function. SUMIFS sum range. Now we have small difference between SUMIFS and SUMIFS that here we need to provide sum range first and then the criteria range and the criteria. So sum range is this one, comma. Criteria range is first is month. Criteria for this range is Feb, comma. Criteria range 2 is product, comma. Criteria 2 is mobile, comma. Criteria 3 range is salesperson, comma. And criteria 3 is Raghu. So it should provide our answer 1080. So let's verify. Control Shift L. In the month of Feb, product mobile, salesperson Raghu, and how much it would come out to be 1080. So that's the answer. We now have one more query. Again, we can apply SUMIFS function here. We need to give some range. First, we should be taking off this filter from this data. Control Shift L. Yes. Equals SUMIFS sum range. Criteria 1 is our month, comma, month is Feb, comma, product is, product range is this, product is tablet. Third is this range. We need to provide certain operators. We can use operators here, but in quotation marks. We need to add up the values wherever it is more than 500 sales revenue for the month of Feb and for the product type tablet. So should be greater than and okay. So it's coming out to be 590. So let's check. For the month of Feb, tablet, wherever it is more than 500. So yes, here it is. So it is coming out to be 590. For your knowledge, AVERAGEIFS function also works in the same manner. So let's go and have a look how COUNTIFS function works. COUNTIFS function only counts the number of times something is happening as per the criteria range given. Let's take an example. COUNTIFS So here we don't need to add anything. So we have criteria range and the criteria only here. So how many sales are done in the month of Feb? So criteria range would be again this one and criteria would be Feb. That is close 4 times. So it is appearing 4 times first. Let's keep it here. 4. This is SUMIFS and this is COUNTIFS. Next, COUNTIFS. When the criteria range is again Feb, criteria is, we can also write text here, Feb. Criteria 2 is the product type. Criteria 3 is Raghu. And let's have a look. 2. So is it appearing 2 times? Yes. It is appearing 2 times. Sorry, this one. So don't make your life more difficult by trying to use Excel filters to get your sum or count. Use this formula instead. Thanks for watching.